So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert crypto to another crypto on Binance. So to do this is pretty simple. So to convert another crypto on Binance is all you have to do is go to your wallet and then select from spot or funding, so whatever asset that you have holding. So let's just say you have Bitcoin right here or BNB. For an example, just select the cryptocurrency that you want to convert and press convert. From there, you will have to convert your coin to another coin. So here you can select market or limit also. So just search the type of coin you want to convert it to, let's say Bitcoin, and then press the amount. So let's say 100, and there you go. And then preview your conversion, and then right here you have to deposit. Then from there it's just going to be finished, and there you go. So that's how you do it. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.